Henry from Spring Hill, Florida, has a question about a float switch.
Well, his is on the fritz.
Oh, get a new one.
Henry writes, well, that's what he says, the drain is working properly, is what Henry writes to us. Tom, he says, however, the unit seems to be to shut down and not start up again until I go up and lift the float switch. It'll restart the AC unit. So Henry wants to know, is it possible for one of these safety float switches to go bad?
Absolutely. Anything can go bad. I mean,
Except you. You only get
no,
better.
I've gone bad. But, yeah, it might just need a new one. I had happened to me once where it would turn the air conditioner off, and when I got home, the air conditioner would come back on. We couldn't figure it out. What happened was during the heat of the day, it would dry the water back out, and the thing would go ahead and reactivate itself. Oh, no. But we never knew what was going on. So they can do all kinds of weird things. But can it go bad? Yeah, it's a very simple device that can easily go bad and easily be replaced. I would replace it and just lighten the load on your psyche about keeping the air conditioner running, you know?
Fair enough.
Yeah.
You got a question? We'll lighten your load too. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it here in these videos like these ones over here. Or, of course, you can subscribe to our channel and see all the new ones.